Hello agus falcha. Keem-er ha shiv and Jew. Is mise Joseph. Hami a fhuarach an am paisley. Ha-ee foor and Jew an am paisley. Ha-ee foor. Ha-ee glay an am paisley and Jew. Ha-kat ah-kum. Pitofi. Ha pitofi a coiseachd agam taigh. Ha fhuar glay. I started off by saying hello and welcome. Hello agus falcha. Keem-er ha shiv and Jew. Now usually I say Keem-er ha u. Keem-er ha shiv is the plural, saying how are all of you. It's also the formal way when you're talking to someone older. Keem-er ha shiv and Jew. I also reminded you that it's very cold here. And I said, ha-ee fuar. Now, just like last time, sometimes the wording can change a little bit. So last time I told you, hami guma, I'm fine, and hami glay, I'm very fine or very good. Glay. So guma, glay, it's the same word. Ma becomes va. And it's the same with the cold. I'm saying ha-ee foor, ha-ee glay. Ha-ee glay. So you can hear that the sound doesn't include the F at the beginning or the H. Now let me just say that again a little bit differently. Hami foor, hami glay an paisley. And I was saying there that it's very cold in Paisley, and you can hear the pronunciations changed. The F and the H has disappeared. And there we are. So now I'm going to go hami adol an a glasgow ach, but ha-ee foor glay. Martianlet.